Are you thinking of a photo session sa Cagayan de Oro, Ysalina Bridge? In this video, we'll give you 5 basic tips on how to play around with your smartphones to get that Instagrammable photo. Plus, bonus tips para sa mga best photo editing application na anging gamiton. Hello there everybody! Welcome again to another video, and once again, kini si Maria Feelingera, and I am out for a little adventure for tonight. I am actually right here sa City Hall mismo, which I guess you have an idea now kay kita mo sa title, but yeah, excited kayo ko to give you advice and tips for an Instagram, how to take your Instagrammable photos, most especially sa bago lang kay gilaunch na Lunhaw Bridge sa Ysalina Bridge dito sa Carmen dool sa City Hall. And of course, nagtawag yun ko kinagahian kay Moraga, dili kaya sa akong powers ko, ako lang. By the way, saan siya ka-special na akong friend nga dugay-dugay na po ni wala nakita, and ni happy kay ko, and it's good just for a collaboration, ladies and gentlemen. Di ko magsaba nga anak ni siya ni Egay, just pero kauban na ako si Jose. Uy, hi Jose. Hali. Ayan, so taas kay si Jose, so siya ang mag-adjust. Alright, first and foremost, Jose, thank you so much sa imo ang pagsugot. By the way, dugay namin nag-ilan ni Jose way back na nag-intern mi sa City Information Office na kami ginagpausa tong CIO. Here we go, here we go. Alright, so Jose right here, my friend, is a photographer, and happy kayo kung nga nisagot good siya once again nga mag-collaborate me for this video. Actually, we got 5 tips for you guys if ever you'll shoot here sa may Ysalina Bridge, sa hayag kaayog na bridge there sa CDO nga bago lang yun kayo lunch. Alright, so we are going to the bridge. So, nade ako mga backup boy. So, that's si Justin, si Gino, si Ed, si Jose, and actually, lingaw kayo kay dagan kayo people pod around here sa bridge. Alright, so we find our spot namin sa medyo tunga sa bridge, pero not really that center. We found the best spot for us, and we shall start with our first tip. Tip number 1. Lighting is key. Importante ni siya, especially at night, kay limited ang light source. So mangita kita og place nga good ang lighting condition. Tip number 2. Follow the rule of thirds. 3x3 grid on the picture. Best to put the subject sa intersecting lines or at the center of the frame. Tip number 3. Angle matters. For example, kung taas ang photographer, it is the best to shoot at the chest level, waist level, or worm's eye view to make you look taller. Tips number 4 and 5. You have all the freedom of your poses. Make sure you create small movements to your hands, head, feet, or your entire body. And don't forget to enjoy and have fun. Here we are sa bonus tip. Use third-party apps. Most recommended ang Lightroom and or Snapseed. It's easy to use and makes your photos look great.
Quite challenging kay dagan kayo moving siya tanan ang mga people, dagan ka panlabay on the sidewalks, syempre ang sakyanan, dagan ka mag-adjust, but in the end nakuha yung gapon, and I hope you like all the shots. Thank you so much, Jose. Uy! So for all your inquiries sa Iyahab, kasi he do photography, so anything under the sun about photography, kung na may portrait or what, please feel free to contact him. Thank you once again, Jose. Uy!
Sa tanan, dagan kayong salamat, Miss Jane Abantay, aka Maria Feelingera, for tapping me into this collaboration. By the way, na-upload ko yung page sa Facebook, Jose Uy Photography, sa Instagram ko, and then na-upload ko yung page ko sa Flickr.
So, check out na ninyo, search lang Jose Uy, right? Ayan. So, thank you everybody.